The next 3 days provide an excellent opportunity for registrars to go through some face-to-face learning, things that they find difficult to learn from textbooks or the internet, and even in their clinics.
NTGPE runs a range of face-to-face workshops and activities for the registrars. That includes a 3-day orientation at the start of the Term 1 in general practice and 2 3-day workshops. This workshop is the first one, and it's basically educational activities that the registrars don't get an opportunity to cover through the small group learning program and during their in-practice teaching and learning.
Myself, I've been teaching about skin cancer medicine, which is an area of enormous relevance in Australia. There's a lot of fair-skinned people living here, especially in the dry desert areas of the centre and the top end.
The design of the training program, right from the start, was very aware of the composition of the population up in the NT and the disparity in health outcomes, and therefore a big part of our program has a strong focus on Indigenous health, and that includes psychosocial aspects and the medical aspects.
So it's giving registrars an opportunity to learn some context for the care that they'll be providing, and also have some hands-on practice in doing biopsies and cutting excisions and suturing them up again. So today we're also offering registrars an opportunity to learn the skills and techniques involved in dermoscopy, looking at the skin under magnification, and to actually practice and become aware of what they're looking for. So that's a great opportunity with one of our expert skin cancer specialists here in Darwin. We're running a musculoskeletal session here as well, where we've involved a physio from town who comes and gives hands-on practice for registrars in both diagnosing musculoskeletal problems and helping registrars have techniques for dealing with those.